all starts with a hand and ends with paper made of sand. Each stroke will mark in stride fictitious armistice. With time and time I'll write with my blade a lover's serenade, and I'll carve a poem worthy of your graces and bring you back to me. Though in xylem rests the art, it's the flame that feeds my heart, the bark discarded on the floor. We knew to never say too much. Your eyes are wrapped in riddles far too delicate to touch, and I heard it on the wire, but you leapt into the fire and you burn up like a softwood on a frigid northern night, and like a cedar licked by flame, these seasoned hands they know your grain, and I whittle from these ashes silence that you seek and bring you back to me. And it still lives in a memory and in the wishes that you send to me, and in the places lit by shade where I hang my heavy blade. And I'll drop bloodstones as I travel and avoid roads made of gravel to mark a path worthy of your paces and lead you back to me. Though you're plagued with knots and burls, my burdens traveled around the world, and they can smooth the scars that mark where we've been broken. Your soul, it whispers when it's touched, and you're steadfast like a reed, like a bull that can't be rushed. And I read it in a flyer that you leapt into the fire, and you burn up like a softwood on a frigid northern night, and like a cedar licked by flame, these seasoned hands they know your grain, and I whittle from these ashes, yes, I whittle from these ashes. They said circumstance was dire, so I leapt into your fire, and you charged, and you're safe on a frigid northern night.